What holds your trailer to its axles and ultimately onto the road? It's the U-bolts. If these aren't maintained and serviced correctly and they fail, your trip is over. Ideally, you should be checking your U-bolts every 12 months or 10,000 kilometres of towing, or in more extreme conditions, you might consider doing it every 6 months and 5,000 kilometres of towing. So what are the key points of the U-bolt you need to look at as part of the maintenance schedule? Well, there's the obvious things. The nut that holds the U-bolt in place. Make sure it's tight. Have a look at the threads, make sure they're not stretched or damaged. If they are, they're a weak point on the system as well. The overall body of the U-bolt. Wherever it contacts any other part of the suspension underneath the trailer, you're looking for wear or you're looking for corrosion. They will also cause a weak point and that'll cause the bolt to fail as well. Look in the bends of the U-bolt. You're looking for stress or cracks in the bend as well. Again, if they fail, that's a bad part of the U-bolt as well. If in doubt, replace any of the components. It's a small investment to ensure you get towing and get going with peace of mind.